हाय। कितना पोल्यूशन है यार, कितना कोहरा है, कितना काला है बाहर, इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है और इतने ब्लेरिंग हॉर्न्स है. पीपल हैव लॉस्ट इट. हाउ विल आई even get out of my house or my office or reach the gym? Okay, so at the onset, oh my god, so much of pollution, so much of traffic, so many people on the road, so much of noise on the street and everything. How will I make it to my gym? What's the point of going to a gym? Forget it. So if you keep thinking about these things and you keep replaying this in your head every day because of what you follow on news or what is being discussed at home or at work or everywhere around, because the whole attitude, or let's say the mood of the nation or of your city or your um, neighborhood is like that, how do you expect to make it to the gym? So you got to get out of that space of yours and make it to the gym. It's for everybody. Yeah, so find the solutions. I normally say this, that wear your glasses, wear a mask, carry some water with you. Why don't you undergo nappuccino, where you have a nap before you hit the gym? Have a little coffee before this and stuff. Do some steaming. Keep yourself warm. Listen to some peppy music. Keep yourself a little, uplifted and stuff, and think about all the positive things. So I've taken a break of 15 days, or probably 12 days, to not be in the gym. 6-7 days obviously I was not well and stuff, but I didn't let go of this idea of not wanting to be in the gym. I was complementing it, or I was simultaneously walking around a lot in my neighborhood. I was doing other things at home and stuff. And basically, when you're not well and you have a bad throat and you got some whatever situation, you're supposed to rest, right? But now today also I could have told myself, forget it, I'm going to skip the gym, I'm not going to go and stuff. But that little voice in me, for the last 2-3 days was telling me I could go, I must go, and I'm going to feel a lot better or a lot greater once I hit the gym. So I decided to do that, and here I am. So if this helps you, think about all the good things that's going to happen when you go to the gym. Your friends, your music, your fitness levels are going to be up. You're going to feel good. You're going to feel fitter. You're going to sleep better. You're going to burn all that unnecessary shit going on in your head and all. You're going to channelize your energy. You're going to have some new energy forming, because fitness is not just about happy hormones alone. It's a lot more. So all your joints, all your aches and pains, and that conversion of that fat into muscle and stuff, has to happen, right? So that's not going to happen sitting on your butt at home or on your computer seats and stuff. We do it all the time, at work, at home, and because of this pollution, we can't go anywhere, so we are perpetually lying down. So what do we get? A little bit of pot belly here. बट घबराइए मत. पहली बात तो उसके बारे में इतना मत सोचिए. अगर आपने ब्रेक ले लिए तो कोई बात नहीं. द पॉइंट इज गो बैक नाउ एंड गेट बैक टू योर gym. What I said is that if you've got a pot belly or you're dreading how you're going to look after you've taken a holiday or whatever, you're not going to enjoy your holiday. So let loose of all of that. Work out in moderation and stuff. Once you hit the gym, stop thinking so much about it and think about your objective and your final goal and stuff. So sweat every day. So wear a jacket, keep yourself warm, dress up appropriately. Somebody told me I looked like I was going for undersea diving or whatever, but I'm glad you have some good ideas coming in, at least about aquatic life and underwater and stuff. So fitness can do that also. It takes your mind off a lot of other things and keeps your creative stuff happening, because you also see new things which you don't follow when you're just in your official attire, or you're just not in a space which has got people around talking about different stuff and all that. Okay, so taking care of your mindset, taking care of your emotional health, your mental health and everything is important. But what's very important is to, even if you have a temporary lockdown on your body, on your mind, on yourself and stuff, get back again. So jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. This is me. Sweat every day, wear a warm jacket, and stay layered, because this difference of temperature and weather is also causing issues like throat and congestion and stuff like that. So get out of that and try drinking lukewarm water and include turmeric water. Rest, you've got your fitness coaches and your sports, mentors in the gym and stuff. I got to school, I've got that noise happening in my ear again. So take care. Bye bye. Love and luck. Have fun. Bye bye.